Hello everybody, and I was just playing like normally, over inside a fifth on the leader, or third on the leaderboard, and whatever. And like I was a hybrid, you can see that. Okay, score 52,000 level for. It's always 45 if you're a hybrid. And time alive 8 minutes or so. That's actually really sad. I was alive for 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, that's so sad. It's like really satisfying to like, oh my gosh, I'm so sad. I was only alive for like 8 minutes. Like it's like really sad when that happens, right? All I have to do is like go back to the middle, and it'll probably be like back to being like a hybrid soon. I mean, like the middle is probably the easiest place to actually even get close to 3 points. You gotta get like 3 points from. You get more than 3 points from a square. Come on, people! Oh my gosh, you scared me half to death. I'm trying to go to the middle. People these days won't even let me go to the middle. Why? I don't know. That seems like he's this guy's definitely a shooter. I'm gonna try shooting him. Like, what happens when a shooter shoots a shooter? Hey, Buttman fan. I'd be like, bomb fan. I don't like that dude. Team has died. Yeah, my favorite part to do every single day is, of course, kill these things. Because, you know, these things probably have, like, the... Oh, my gosh. Look at all of these things. Oh, my gosh, dude, this thing... Oops. It didn't even touch me. Come on. It didn't even touch me. What? Oh! I said after I die. Mom and Dad always say I have to go somewhere because it's time to. No, don't kill me, Bunman fan. Bunman fan.
Nathan, come eat.
Oh my gosh! I said after I die! Moist. All I want is some pentagons. Moist. All I want is some pentagons. Moist. All I want is some pentagons. That's all I want is some pentagons. So all I've ever wanted is some pentagons. Moist. Thunderbird. No, Moist. That's me, Moist. Okay, guys, so just shouting out to like everybody that's watching this YouTube video. Music is always inside the description. I'm just telling everybody. What? Dude, stop it! People these days. I don't want to die. I don't want to. Oops. I did not see that there. I was focusing on him. Oh my God! Okay, so I'm sorry about all that, like, stuff. It was just because, like, yeah, weird stuff was going on. My sister was attacking me and blah, 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 blah. I don't want to talk about it, okay?
Here, keep this with you, Joseph, and throw up in it if you need to. You know what, honey?
Yes, who does this? Because this is probably, like, one thing that, like, I feel like I'm the only one that ever does this. So, like, I'm just gonna do this, and, like, do, like, some other stuff, too. Oh, and this looks nice, too. 1, 2, 3.
You want to go out with me for an hour?
You said you would read for me!
You look miserable. I am miserable.
Yeah, my mom's miserable because of no chocolate in the house. How boring is that? I mean, I hate chocolate. Literally. I feel like I'm the only one inside the whole entire school, inside of my whole entire school, that hates chocolate. Mom. I'm turning on my music. He's like, I was going to ram you. Come on. How much of a noob am I in such real life? This is probably like the easiest thing to kill people with. Look at this guy. He's just like, I don't want to die. No, never mind. I want to die because this guy's a person that's attacking me.
I will come here to you, Claire, but you're smoking.
Burn until I'm a smasher because like smashers are fun. And I don't want to die yet. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I hate steak in my mouth. Get over here.
Yes, I'm coming. I need to blow my nose.
Gosh. My mom is annoying me because of her talking. And who knew mom's annoying you because of talking? Oh my gosh. I want to kill this guy. Because he, dog tanks, never mind. I remember like dinner bone. It was an upside down dog. I named my dog Dinner Bone in Minecraft. I've not been doing very many recordings on Minecraft lately. Kill him now.
Do you think our work was in vain or wrong?
Boys, help! Boys, help! Help me! Kill. Hey! Hey! Nope. I mean, I don't want to die right now. Nope, don't attack these people. No. Please don't kill me, I'm only level 31.
Did you tell Daddy about the book on the bed to you? Tell Daddy about the book on the bed.
My god. Help me now, buddy. Kill him now. Thanks, buddy. No, I'm not like about to die. Hit. Me and my really good friends.
I know I will do that. Green eggs and ham.
Kill him. Kill him. Dynamite! No! Dynamite! You're not supposed to do that. Thinboard annoys me a lot. I mean, it's my sister anyways, because, like, we play together, okay? I mean, shooting destroyers are fine, but, like, also, ramming destroyers are also great. Because, like, you know how, like, you can, like, ram people? It's a kill. Definitely a kill. Could see that. Wow.
Nobody gets hurt.
I love this. It's like really fun, like fighting people, especially when they have oops. Library pickles and blueberries. What are pickles and blueberries? What are pickles? No. Now please. Yay, thanks. You saved my life. Now it's time for you to die. I never changed my name back from like when I was playing. This dude, he's like, no. Yeah, he's just like, no, you can't kill me. Triple kill. And noob. I'm not a noob. Dude, this guy's a noob. He's like, N stands for, alright, noob. Dude, there's a streamliner! Oh my god, the streamliner! The only reason that I don't really mess with streamliners, because they're streamlining. I don't think that's even a good saying, but like, still, though, I actually never... This is like, I'm gonna kill this dude. It's like, no, it's my kill. Agar-I. Hey! What the? I was like, am I shooting? Ah! Thunderbird again. For the 1,000th time, Thunderbird. You're not supposed to kill. Lie to them. No, Pat. No, Pat. Pat, bye. Pat, I want to be friends. No, Pat, I want to be friends. Me and Pat never get along because, like, I have a name, a stupid name. Everybody call. I just went straight through somebody. Hold on a sec. Did you see that? I just went straight through somebody. I mean, I can't really go back in time. Well, like, I literally, guys, did you see that? Like, you saw that, like, machine gun. I went straight through him without taking any damage. Which even I would have killed him, or I would probably, most likely would have died anyways. So why did I do it? I have no idea. I didn't even do it on purpose. I just somehow went straight through you, dude. Bye. But still, people, I'm gonna leave off this episode right here. Oh, I'm not gonna leave right here yet. What the? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, well, see you guys next time, and like, have some fun on DeFi. Also, music's inside of the description. And Goroxo, hi again. Goroxo is like right there. And also, guys, I want to just say bye to everybody. And wait, didn't I already do that? Okay, so how about this? Play with me. Help me. And I have stupid names, okay? I make up stupid names. Just like, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of a lot of fails. Noise. I like noise. Hi, kitten. So, like, please stay tuned on my tune. Like, this is type of tune. Now back to oops. What did I? Okay, I really hate it when you hit like weird buttons and then you totally just get owned. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was really fun to play with people. You know why? Because like I have no friends at all. Except for maybe my likes on my YouTube videos. Because those are actually my only friends. I mean, I'm not being literal. I have a few other friends, but still I have a lot of other friends. But still, I don't have any more friends.